Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply mine the Pepe coin on your smartphone or on your wallet exchange. Okay guys, our first step is to take note that the Pepe coin is built on the ERC20. It's built on the ERC20 network, and as such it cannot be mined for now. But there are many ways of making profits from this token. There are many ways through which you can actually make some good profit from this. You do take note of its contract address, Ethereum. You can copy it if you decide to. You minimize and head over to your wallet. For the sake of this video, I'll be using the Trust Wallet application. Once Trust Wallet is opened up, make sure you possess some Ethereum on this wallet. Head over to your browser, which is just here, and simply scroll down and click on Pancake Swap. Make sure it's opened up and make sure you're on the Ethereum network. Make sure the network you've chosen to use is Ethereum. Once Ethereum has been selected, click on Earn and click on Farms. You then give the farm menu some time to load in. And once it's done loading in, you simply scroll down till you find Pepe Ethereum, or you search for PEPE, Pepe Ethereum LP, liquidity pool. And this is where we can make some really good cash. This is where you can make some profits. By clicking on add liquidity, you then proceed to input your Ethereum and Pepe tokens into this liquidity pool, which will in turn give you some LP tokens, some extra Pepe and some extra Ethereum on the side. That's how it basically works. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can mine the Pepe coin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.